Do you want to learn how to make $100 a day with my online cash machine? There are hundreds of gurus online who want to sell you products for $297, $497, $997, or even more. They claim they will show you how you can earn a living online. Don't buy them. They'll ask you for more money and won't guarantee the results. The system I've developed is called $100 a Day Online Cash Machine. This simple step-by-step process is one that even a 10-year-old could follow. A few months ago, I discovered something incredible, a secret, a method, a system, call it whatever you like, that is so successful it has literally transformed my life. And I'd like to share this secret with you today. I've tried several ways to make money on the internet. Until now, I've mainly concentrated on selling info products and promoting related affiliate products. Let me tell you, it's been hard work. With advertising costs, hosting fees, a costly subscription to a well-known guru membership site. Sound familiar? But just a few months ago, I was listening to an interview of a well-known internet marketer. This was not your regular how to make millions sales pitch. It was an honest, nuts and bolts approach to making $100 or more per day, spending 15 minutes a day to maintain. At the time, I was barely making $30 a day with my info products and affiliate sales, so I decided to give it a go, and I went to work applying everything he said would make me $50 to $100 a day. It took me just one weekend to set it up, and I was up and running within 4 days. 2 days after my launch, I made my first sale, and true enough, I made a sale nearly every day thereafter. I took the system and turned it into a step-by-step guide to make it easier for me to follow. But I also leveraged even more money from the system and now earn over $5,000 a month. I will explain all about that hidden gem in the report. The system I've developed is called $100 a Day Online Cash Machine. There are just a few steps to this system, and I've laid them out in simple plain English in the report so anyone, I mean anyone, can follow them. That's it. And that is exactly where this guide comes in. It's so simple and it costs so little to get started. It's only $9.99 and there are no additional fees involved. No selling products, no cold calling, no webinars or conference calls, no sending emails or dealing with mailing lists, no recruiting or sponsoring, no surveys or paid-to-read programs, no data entry, no complicated traffic generation techniques, and it will not take you years to learn everything you need to know. You do not need money to start. You do not need to come up with anything revolutionary. What will you get after a purchase? An easy step-by-step guide on how to make your online cash system. This offer includes 3 bonus ebooks to develop your online marketing skills. After you get a purchase, I'll teach you how to link your bank account to your PayPal. How much money can you make? Your income potential is unlimited. Get your cash machine now. All sales are final.